Snow, frost and sunshine, lovely morning, yet you, dear love, its magic scoring, are still in bed. Awake, my sweet.
Cast sleep away, I beg, and rising, yourself a northern star, the blazing aurora, northern beauty, meet.
A mellow glow, like that of amber, illumes the room. 'Tis good to linger beside the gaily cracking stove.
Honest, brown mare without the lie be harnessed, that we may take a sledge right love.
Will give free reins to her and lightly, the snow of morning gleaming brightly, skim o'er it and full of glee.
Across empty fields and empty meadows, a once green wood with trees like shadows, a stream and bank long dear to me.
The doctor was somewhere in London. A chaise was being worried by the doctor. The TARDIS was stolen by someone. The doctor was in it with Clara. The moment it was taken by doctor. The moment it looked like Rose. The doctor was shown a picture named Gallifrey Falls or no more.
The cat lived in the house, which was built by mouse. The cat saw a mouse in the house, and the chocolate house was eaten by a mouse. They ran away. Mouse has not been found. Cat ran around.